There is a new arrival at the Kelowna airport today, Lynx Air, and it arrives with a promise of much lower airfare.
You can fly to and from Kelowna for as low as $39, including taxes, one way.
Would those be introductory rates, or is that really what we might be seeing going forward as well?
There are what we call our lead-in fares. So if you book early and in advance before the it gets too popular, you'll get the $39 fares, inclusive of taxes.
And that's not just because you're brand new on the scene.
No, that's our model. Our model is to have the lowest fares in the market and inspire more people to travel.
And the flights you saw here before you made the decision to move into this market struck you as too high?
Yes, yeah. Well, we felt that they were much higher than that needed to be, and we felt that this was an opportunity for us with our low-cost base to come in and bring them down.
Well, there's two things will happen. On Vancouver and Calgary are our busiest routes. So it's providing competition into the marketplace, and they will react. There's no doubt our other air carriers will react.
So we won't even be offering airline food on board. We won't be offering food at all on board, and we're certainly not going to be asking people to pay for it. We're actually going to be encouraging people to bring their own food and their own entertainment on board, because we think they get better value and better choice if they do that.
But the other piece of this is that people that can't afford to fly today with the rates where they are will actually induce a whole new or another group of travelers that typically wouldn't be able to fly, or we'll have people that will fly more frequently as a consequence because it's cheaper. So instead of making 2 trips a year, they might make 4 or 5 trips in a year. So this all helps induce the marketplace to travel because you've got inexpensive airfares.